mechanical servants. This is one of many examples. Fast forward to 1935 when the earliest substantial work in this field was done by Alan Turing, a logician and a computer pioneer who invented Turing machine. 1951, Christopher Strachey wrote the first successful AI program, which is known as computer checkers program. 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. 1963, in 1963 analogy, a program created by Thomas Evans proved that computer can also solve ideology-based analogical programs. 1967, first successful knowledge-based program in science and mathematics was created. 1972, Shuttle created by Terry Winograd, who was the robot arm responded to commands. 1987, Marvin Minsky publishes The Society of Mind, which portrays the brain as a series of cooperating agents. 1997, a chess program, Deep Blue, beats the current world chess champion Garry Kasparov. 2000s, interactive robot smart toys are made commercially available. Goals of artificial intelligence. Now there are many goals of artificial intelligence, but there are three main goals of artificial intelligence. They are deduction, reasoning and problem solving. What we are today: driverless transportation, automated assembly lines and dangerous jobs, surgical aid robots and next generation traffic control. Driverless transport. Google has been investing in a driverless car and has completed over 480,000 autonomous driving miles accident-freely. Through the use of cameras, sensors and special software pulled into vehicles, manufacturers have been able to build the cars which park themselves at a touch of a button. Driverless trains carry passengers from city to city in Japan without any kind of human help. Google's driverless car relies on lasers and sensors to spot obstacles, interpret signs and interact with traffic and pedestrians. Artificial intelligence takes away the responsibility from the drivers and also eliminates the danger of distracting during driving and boosts a reaction of time much faster than that of any human being. Surgical aid robots. Siddharth Sinai Medical Center relies on special software to examine the heart and stop heart attacks before they occur. Artificial muscle features. Smart technology that allows them to function more like real muscles. Penelope, a robotic surgery assistant developed in Columbia University, not only pass the correct tool to the doctor but also keep track of that tools and also learn about the doctor's preferences through artificial intelligence. The most advanced surgical robots are programmed to perform the entire surgery at their own, except of cutting and suturing. In these operations, surgeons stand by just in case something goes wrong. Miniature intelligence robots are being developed for eye surgeries. Automated assembly lines and dangerous jobs. Some countries have put smart robots to work disabling landmines and handling radioactive materials in order to limit the risks to human workers. Ford is using an artificial intelligence-based approach for vehicle assembly process planning, ergonomic analysis, and a system that uses machine translation to translate assembly build instructions for assembly plants that don't use English. Other companies such as GM have developed robots with artificial intelligence technique to inspect cars made by humans. Next generation traffic control. Artificial intelligence in traffic lights seeks to improve the efficiency of traffic flow, hence improving road space utilization, reducing journey times and potentially improving fuel efficiency, as well as reducing the impact of cars on the road. In the future, they want to create a traffic control system that thinks like human in directing traffic. We can consider a future where all vehicles are equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS and can transmit their positions to signalized junction. This opens the way to use of artificial intelligence approaches to traffic control such as machine learning. Future of AI. Right now, AI is at the level less comparable to animals and insects. Is it possible to go further to reach human intelligence? Cognivists, who believe that human consciousness can be stimulated, and anti-cognivists, who believe it to be impossible. Estimated date of emergence of the singularity or greater than human superintelligence. At this point, it is thought that certain machines will exceed the human brain is believed that this breakthrough will lead to a rapid advancement in technology as super intelligent AI designs new computer and machines at the rate of no human could. Strong AI. Strong AI is intelligence that matches or exceeds that of human beings. Ultimate goal of AI research. Weak AI is narrow or more focused than strong AI. Whole brain emulation, mapping and recreating the human brain through neuroimaging. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Janvi Rathod. I am studying in 7th standard. My subject is science and my topic is human digestive system. Human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and its associated glands. The organs which are used in human digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Mouth. Mouth is known as buccal cavity. Esophagus. Esophagus is known as food pipe. Stomach. Stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Small intestine. Small intestine is a complete digestion in our human being. Large intestine. Large intestine absorbs most of the water from undigested food material. This is a picture of human digestive system. Teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Incisor are cutting and beating teeth. Canines are tearing the teeth. Premolars are for chewing the teeth and molars are for grinding the food. This is a picture of our 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth. The teeth which are grown from our childhood is known as milk teeth. Permanent teeth. The second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth. Tongue. The tongue consists of saliva. There are 4 types of tongue: sweet, salty, sour and bitter. The tongue has taste buds which can detect the food. Diarrhea. The condition in which person passes throughout the watery stools is known as diarrhea. The solution of sugar and salt in water is called dehydration. It is also known as ORS. Thank you and have a nice day.
So good morning to all. My name is Roshni Mahesh Kumar Majan from class 7 and my presentation topic is inside our Earth, subject geography. Now this is the structure of the Earth. There are 3 major parts of layers of the Earth: crust, mantle and core. So this is the crust, this is upper mantle, outer core and inner core. So we will now talk about layers of the Earth. The first layer of the Earth is called core. The layers of the Earth, the first layer of the Earth is called crust. The crust is a solid outermost layer of the Earth. It is also called lithosphere. The upper part of the crust is called continental crust and the lower part of the crust is called oceanic crust. The continental crust is made up of silica, which is dedicated as C, and alumina, which is dedicated as L. So thus it is called Cl. And the oceanic crust is made up of silica, which is dedicated as C, and magnesium, which is dedicated as Ma. So thus it is called Sima. The average density of the crust is about 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter. The outer crust of soil, it provides us minerals. Now the second layer of the Earth is called core. The core lies below the mantle and around the center of the Earth. The average radius of the core is about 3,500 km. It is made up of heavy and dense materials such as iron and magnesium. The temperature of the core varies between 2300 Celsius to 5000 Celsius. The average density of age is between 5.0 gram to 13.0 gram. So the third layer of the Earth is called mantle. So it lies below the crust and the core. It is made up of plates and heavy materials such as iron and magnesium. The average density ranges between 3.5 gram and 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. The temperature of the mantle is very high. We will talk about rocks. As you know, rocks are get from the earth's crust. The rock and mineral are found in the earth's crust. The lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. The rocks are made up of minerals. They include not only hard substances like granite but also soft substances like clay, chalk, etc. A rock in which particular mineral is found in a large percentage is called ore of that mineral. So we will talk about the types of rocks. The first types of the rock is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are associated with volcanic eruption. Igneous rocks are formed with cooling down of magma. These rocks are first to be formed, thus it is also known as primary rocks. Igneous rocks are of two types, extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. The rocks which cools below the surface of the earth is called intrusive igneous rocks, and the rocks which cools on the surface of the earth is called extrusive igneous rocks. Now the second types of rock is sedimentary rock. The sedimentary rain find ice and plants and animals broke the rocks into fragments. Sedimentary rocks are formed either mechanically such as sandstone and chemically such as salt and organically such as coal. These rocks are softer than the igneous rock. These rocks have horizontal layers arranged on one above the another. These rocks are mostly formed under the water and have marks of the waves and mud cracks. Now the third type of metamorphic rock is metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rock is usually igneous or sediment rocks which have been changed due to excessive heat and pressure and change into metamorphic rock. Excessive heat and pressure can change such rock in their original form. They have a specific gravity and they are hard to touch. Now we will talk about rock cycle. The change of one type of rock into another certain confusion in a cyclic manner is called known as rock cycle. The rock cycle have neither starting nor ending. In this process, the matter of the earth crust not lost. So as you can see, there is a diagram. We can start through the magma. So the magma is formed due to volcanic eruption, and magma cools down to form igneous rocks such as basalt and granite. And then the different agents of weathering and erosion change into it segments such as sand and gravel. So the deposition, composition, sedimentation change these rocks into sedimentary rocks such as sandstone, limestone. And this sedimentary rock due to heat and pressure change into metamorphic rock. And this process is going on again and again. Thank you.
Myself, Ritesh Chavan from 7th standard. My subject is science. Topic is galaxy and the three major types. So finally we learn what is galaxy. Galaxy consists of stars, planets, vast clouds of gas and dust. They all are bound together by gravity. Our next topic is types of galaxies. There are three major types of galaxies. First is elliptical, second is spiral, and third is irregular. First of all, we learn elliptical galaxy.
name is Science and my topic is indicators for testing acid in base. Indicator. An indicator is a dye that changes color when it is added to acid or base. An indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is acidic or basic by changing its color. An acid-base indicator are of two types: natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Natural indicator are litmus, China rose and turmeric. Synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein. Litmus. Litmus is natural indicator. Litmus is a purple colored dye which is extracted from a type of plant called lichen. Litmus is made into two types, blue litmus and red litmus. When litmus is added to acidic solution, it turns blue litmus into red. And when it is added to basic solution, it turns red litmus into blue. China rose indicator. China rose indicator is also natural indicator. China rose is called gudhar in Hindi. China rose is a light pink colored solution. It is extracted from red flowers of China rose plant. China rose is in magenta color in acidic solution, and when it is added to basic solution, it is green in color. Turmeric. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is called haldi in Hindi. Turmeric is bright yellow powder. Turmeric is also used. Turmeric is used an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. When turmeric paper is added to acidic solution, it remains yellow, and when it is added to basic solution, it turns into red. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is synthetic or man-made acid-base indicator. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solution and it is pink in color in basic solution. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arnav from class 7. My roll number is 12 and my topic is science, plants and nutrition. That's correct. And for my first topic is modes of nutrition. There are two types of mode of nutrition. First autotrophs and second heterotrophs. Right? And my first topic is autotroph. The plants are making food themselves is called autotrophs. All green plants are autotrophs. Right? And second, heterotrophs. All non-green plants are heterotroph. The plants which making don't food themselves is called heterotrophs. And there are two types of cells. First, animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell, rhizobium, cycloplast, cell membrane, molecules, and cell wall, nucleus, and cellulose and Golgi body. Yes, and the function of plant cell is rhizobiums, nucleus, nacelles, rough endoplasm, reticulum, Golgi, embryo, cell wall and cell membrane, and cell ameloplast, chloroplast, mitochondrion, vacuole and cytoskeleton. And thank you for my presentation.
Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Vaishnavi Garba. I study in class 7. My topic is heat. First, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. It makes a substance hotter. Heat cannot be seen by us. We can feel the heat. Heat by temperature effect for body formers. When heat is given to us, when heat given to a substance, its temperature increase and it become hotter. Example, tea. If we touch tea, our body temperature will become hotter. Hot and cold. Some